Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to do the weave bracelet. So this is the legging. If you cut it, you will get a small thin fabric. So you can cut it at any width or breadth so that you can make the bracelet. So for example, I am taking a rope. So you have to keep the rope like this, and in this corner you have to start the weaving. Check the length, okay, and then start, leave a gap here and start weaving as you normally weave. In the under portion it will get tangled, so you have to weave. See the knots, same like weaving 3 braid. So this is how you weave it. So you continue weaving until the end, and then tie the both ends together like this. You have to weave it completely and then tie the ends together, so you will get the bracelet.